Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cannot verify payment information. Contact Apple support for more information. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you are giving your payment method and you are entering your payment method and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all, you have to close this page. Now let me tell you that you have to tap on settings. From here you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet. Scroll it down, tap on general and make sure that you're not connected with any VPN, and here you have to tap on language and region. Select your language and region with respect to your debit or credit card. Okay guys, so from here you have to select that region in which your debit or credit card is made, and after that close this page. Now after that guys, you have to open the settings again, tap on your Apple ID, and from here guys what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, and from here guys what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. From here you have to wait some seconds again. So let's wait guys. After that maybe it will ask you to put your password, so you have to put the password here. So as you can see guys, it's loading. So as you can see guys, it's asking me to put my password. Now I'm going to put my password here. So let's put my password. So I have given the password. So after giving the password guys, just simply have to wait some seconds. So after that guys, you can see this type of interface. So from here you have to tap on country origin. So let me tap on country origin. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds again. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on change country origin. So you can easily see here change country origin. Wait some seconds, and you can see lot of countries here. So from here guys, you have to put the country in which you are living or in which your debit or credit card is made. So just simply have to select that country. So after selecting the country guys, wait some seconds again, and here are the terms and conditions. If you're agree, tap on agree. So from here guys, you have to select your payment method, and here you have to put the credentials of your payment method, and here you have to put your billing name, and here you have to put the street. So you can put fake one as well. So here you have to put the street again, and here you have to put your city name, and here you have to select your state. So let me select the state, and here you have to put the zip code about your state. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. In case of mine, it's 90201, and here you have to put the phone number, so you can put fake one as well. And here you have to tap on next, and after that guys, your country will be updated or your payment information will be updated, and after that I guarantee your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.